Welcome to the Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, February the 1st, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update we have Firefox Focus, a browser for mobile that promises to basically prevent tracking of websites as you're using it on your smartphone, for example. Now, this apparently for Firefox or for Mozilla might be big because they say mobile will be big in 2018. Now, they're trying to, of course, push this as Firefox Quantum on the desktop or on Windows is not necessarily that popular. So hopefully they might make a popular browser for mobile. Microsoft earnings are up and 12% year-over-year increase in revenue. That's really good. The Windows division, 4% increase. The Xbox revenue, 14%. That's pretty good. Stagnation pretty much of the Surface devices. That's maybe one side that they're not super happy with. But, it's still really good numbers for Microsoft. Facebook is tweaking its fake news. It's trying to change things so that you get more local content. Well, a recent study is showing that there's a drop in usage in the United States and that roughly 50 million hours per day are actually lost now compared to last year, and that people are maybe getting tired of Facebook. Google Fiber is not growing anymore. In the latest numbers, it seems that Google Fiber is not actually even declining in several markets. One big market that is losing its Google Fiber wireless services is Boston. And basically, it seems that Google Fiber might never see the day of light in many markets where it had once promised to be. Adyen, or Adyen, I don't know how you pronounce it exactly, is going to be the new payment system used by eBay. And of course, eBay is trying to kind of get away from PayPal as an option. So for those that don't know who that company is, they actually already are the company that uses the payment system for Netflix and Uber. So basically, PayPal will still be an option until 2023 when the contract that PayPal has with eBay is expiring, and it's not really clear if PayPal will still be available after that. Of course, the PayPal shares have fallen once this was announced. Windows 10 has now overtaken Windows 7. It's official this month, according to numbers that we will show you in a separate video, by the way, if you're interested in seeing all of that. Windows 10 now the most popular operating system. It beats Windows 7 for the first time officially and shows a pretty good increase too. So that's going to be interesting to look at the statistics as we are 2 years before the Windows 7 retirement, and I think this is good news for Microsoft. So China non-approved VPN ban will come in effect March 1st, 2018. We had talked about this last year, where China wanted to have control over what VPNs can be used by its citizens. So of course, in order to have a VPN approved, you probably have to block a certain number of websites. So this is all in, of course, the control of information. The AMD Ryzen 2 CPUs will actually offer the occasional gamer a budget gaming possibility. It seems that they want to actually really have that part of the market. Not only will you have a great processor in your machine, but you'll have a GPU, which is not a dedicated GPU. It will be like, one of those integrated graphics chip, but it will be much more powerful than what we see regularly. And in tests that I've seen, it seems that the Ryzen 2 with its integrated graphics beats Intel integrated graphics and by a really, really big margin. So that could be interesting, and this some kind of an hybrid, processor GPU for casual gamers. Well, Ford Motor Company is building a autonomous car that's kind of a police car with all sorts of sensors that will actually roam the roads and give tickets for traffic violations. You go too fast, you miss, you go on a red light, it will be able to see all of that, and you will receive a ticket by mail. So I guess, robot ticket cars are coming to our roads eventually. And finally, Amazon has submitted a patent for a IoT, or Internet of Things tracker, that employees and its warehouses would wear and be tracked constantly, which just tells me I'm not sure that is something that I'd like to have, a little something that tracks me everywhere in my work environment. So this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, February 1st, 2018. You enjoy our videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.